Hi! In front of me is Doogee S70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, select Security and Location, tap on Face Unlock and choose Enroll Face. Then enter your current login method, choose Start Enroll, read the instructions and tap on OK. Now choose Home button, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I guess that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!